In a story that's quickly gaining national attention, the Trump administration is facing criticism for its controversial handling of migrant Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a man now caught in a legal and political storm over immigration, asylum, and human rights. Let's rewind for a second. Abrego Garcia was originally deported in 2019 after his asylum claim was denied, but earlier this year, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that his deportation was actually illegal and ordered the government to bring him back to the United States. Since then, the situation has only gotten more complicated. After returning, he was taken into custody and hit with fresh accusations from the Department of Homeland Security, who claim he's linked to the notorious Emi's 13 gang. But here's the thing, he's never been charged, and no evidence has been presented publicly to back those claims. His legal team says this is a smear campaign to discredit his asylum case and possibly to avoid legal accountability for the original deportation mistake. And here's where the story takes a strange turn. DHS now wants to deport him to Eswatini, a tiny African country he's never been to, has no ties to, and likely doesn't even know anyone there. The administration argues that because Garcia has expressed fear of returning to more than 20 countries, including El Salvador, Uganda, and others, they have the right to deport him somewhere he hasn't specifically mentioned, in this case, Eswatini. Then came the backlash online. DHS officials posted sarcastic tweets referring to Garcia as homie and mocking his fears, suggesting he's afraid of the entire Western Hemisphere. Critics called it tone deaf and cruel, especially for a case involving potential gang violence, legal asylum protections, and a man with no criminal convictions. So what happens next? Garcia's lawyers are fighting to reopen his asylum claim, which could eventually lead to legal residency. But DHS warns that even if he wins that battle, he could still be deported under different grounds. Meanwhile, the case is turning into a major talking point in the 2026 election cycle, raising questions about how far immigration enforcement should go and whether political messaging is starting to outweigh due process. This case is still unfolding, and it's raising big questions about immigration policy, human rights, and the power of the federal government. What do you think? Is this justice or political overreach? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching.